Welcome to Sandra's Homespun Life, where I make all things yummy. Hello everyone, let me show you how easy it is to make a full breakfast with the Ninja Foodi XL with Smartlid. First I'm going to start off with spraying 2 silicone muffin molds and cracking a large egg into each mold. Using a butter knife, I'm just going to break those eggs up a bit. Next, season with a little salt and set them aside for the moment. Now I'm going to prepare my crisp basket by spraying a little avocado oil spray. This step really isn't necessary, but I like the bottoms of my biscuits to be a little crispy, so this is how I make mine. Now I'm going to place 2 frozen Pillsbury biscuits, 2 frozen sausage patties, and both eggs into the crisping basket. Place the crisping basket inside the pot of the Ninja Foodi, close the lid and put the slider into the steam crisp position. Set the temperature for 325 degrees, turn the silver knob until the steam and bake option is highlighted, then set the timer to 11 minutes. Press the start button and we're ready to go. The Ninja will preheat for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, and then the steam and bake function will begin. Once the timer is counted down to 0, your food is ready to be removed. Today I decided to also make a packaged white gravy mix in my Ninja Foodi. After I removed the biscuits, sausage and eggs, I lowered the lid and put the slider into the air fry stovetop position. Then I turned the silver knob until the sear saute option was highlighted. Then I pressed the start button and raised the lid. I then followed package directions on the gravy mix by adding 1½ cups of water to the pot and allowed the water to come to a boil. While the water is heating, I add the contents of the gravy mix to ½ cup of water and mix well. Once the water come up to a boil, I poured in my gravy mixture. I stirred the mixture to get it well combined, and then I pressed the start-stop button to stop the cooking process. I continued to stir until the gravy had thickened, then removed the pot and transferred the gravy to a bowl. From there, my breakfast is complete and ready to plate up. I'm really enjoying the new Ninja Foodi with the Smartlid. I hope you've enjoyed the video and found it to be helpful. Until next time, guys, bye.